Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn how to create a slider with a dot indicator. We are going to use two packaged carousel sliders and a smooth page indicator. Basically, we use a carousel slider for our slider, and for the dot indicator, we will use the smooth page indicator. First, let's create a widget for the slider. Then let's import the two packages from pub.dev. Our package has been imported. Now let's jump into the slider file. We will use a carousel slider builder in the stack, because we will create our page indicator above the slider. For the item count, we need image resources first, because we will use the length of our total amount of images. I am going to create an images Dart file where I will keep all the images paths. Now let's import all the slider images. I have already downloaded these images from FreePic to save time. I have created a new directory inside the Assets folder. So I have to import the directory in pubspec.yaml. After importing the directory in pubspec.yaml, create an array for this slider image. After that, in item count, mention the length of that slider array. Now in the builder function, return an image.asset to load those images. Image fit will be boxFit.cover, so it's just fit the cover of the potion. Carousel option basically uses for decorating the carousel slider. Let's enable the autoplay. Viewport fraction is basically how the slider fits the whole frame. If we reduce the fraction to less than 1, then the slider width will be shorter and some portion of the upcoming slider and previous slider can be seen. Autoplay interval here works as interval duration between sliders. Oops, images are not loaded. I have made a mistake. In the image path, it will be slider, not image. Yes, it's working. To fit to the screen, we have to give a height or width, how much size the slider will take. I want to give it a padding, and I want this slider a circular shape. So let's add padding and clip our rect to give some padding and radius to that image. Our slider is almost ready. Now the page indicator part. To create a page indicator, we will use the animated smooth indicator of the Smooth Page Indicator package. In this widget, there are two mandatory fields. One is an active index and a count of the number of total pages or our slider. To get the current index, we need to set the current index in on page change in the carousel option. Now let's run this. Yes, the page indicator is displayed. But now we have to align this item. We have to align the indicator to the bottom center and add padding to it. Now let's run again. Let's customize the indicator. To customize the indicator, we have to add effect. And if we go through the package documentation, we can see many effects of this indicator. We are going to use expanding dot effect. And let's change the active dot color to red and the dot color to white. Now we have finally created the image slider with a page indicator. Customize your slider and indicator as your heart desires. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to get more interesting videos like this.